Signed in, I can see my icon up here in the corner, and we're ready to get started. To get started, you click the plus sign, and that's right where we used to go for all projects in Spark. And there are some other options over here that you've never seen before, including some really great things you can do with video. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a photo. So we're going to choose Remove Background, and Creative Cloud Express is going to immediately ask us to go ahead and browse for the image that we want to use. And it will immediately start removing the background from a picture of my cat Sushi. And as you can see, it did a pretty good job. Not perfect, but pretty good. And we're just going to be able to clean that up by clicking the button that says Customize. All right, so here's Sushi. And I'm going to make it bigger so I can see her really well, even though she looks a little bit grainy at this size. But this is just to help me edit it. Over here, there is a button that says Edit the Cutout, and that's going to help me clean up the background remove. So I'm going to come in here, choose the size of my brush that I'm going to erase with, and I'm going to pick a fairly small one, and then go in and just start cleaning up and erasing the things that I don't want to be in the picture. All right, Sushi is looking beautiful. So once you're finished cleaning it up, click the check mark in the upper right-hand side. And it's going to process those changes that you made. And now you can see I can still adjust the size of the image here on the background that they just chose for me. All right, so now we're ready to save this. So I can, if I want to, just start adding things right inside of Spark. I could put a background in here and some text. I could make a meme, or I could make a custom photo. But I would rather use this photo in Google Slides. So I'm just going to save it with a transparent background. So the way to do that is to click the download button. Leave it set at PNG. That's going to give you the ability to choose transparent as the background. Click Start Download, and here's your choice, either that solid color or the transparent, and we want transparent. So I'm going to choose transparent background, and it's going to get this picture ready for me and tell me to go ahead and save it. Now I'm ready to use the picture somewhere else. Go to Insert, Image, Upload from the computer, and all right, there is giant Sushi on the sofa there. So we can do a couple of things to make her fit in the picture a little better. One is, of course, we're going to grab from the corners to keep the proportions correct. And we'll put Sushi here on the couch. She likes to sit on a pillow there. We're going to scoot her back a little bit. She could be just maybe a smidge bigger. And let's say I want two Sushis. Well, there's a great keystroke, Control D, and that duplicates my kitty. And you know where I'm going to put her? I'm also going to put her on the dining room table, because who doesn't want a cat on their dining room table? All right, there we go. There is Sushi in the living room. So thanks for watching. Have a day filled with love and learning. And if you need anything at all, see your ITRT.